What is Purple Heart on Instagram and how to get it? Let's get started. Launch your Instagram. Make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. As a New Year update, Instagram has converted notes to the purple color. Along with that, you'll also get purple hearts in your stories. Let me show you how. You can upload a story. If any of the person likes your story, instead of the red hearts, you're gonna get the purple ones. You can see that. As a newer update, the red hearts has been converted to the purple ones. Whenever you receive or send like to the story of a person, it's gonna pop up as a purple heart. You can go ahead and open the story to whom you wanna send these hearts. Now at the bottom right corner, you're gonna find this heart icon. Just click on it. After it turns red, you have sent the purple heart. The person will be receiving purple hearts. So this is the really cool upgrade of Instagram for New Year. You can also give a try. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear what is purple heart on Instagram and how to use it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.